Friends, it is so exciting that you are willing to learn the art of literature search. Friends, I am Sudeep, having an experience of over a decade in pharma industry and academic. I have designed this workshop on literature search because it is an integral part of our day-to-day life as a pharma professional or a academician or a student. Guys, majority of our time is invested in finding the desired articles. There are various objectives. It may be a clinical research, it may be a pharmacovigilance, it may be preparing a scientific reports, publishing an article, making a review article, or doing a research and development. So literature survey is very of important in every pharma professional's life. This is a phase one of literature survey workshop. In this phase, we will be talking about common search engines, while in phase two, we will be discussing about academically oriented search engines. So, once again, I welcome you for the introductory session of this phase one literature survey. So, who all are eligible for this workshop? Believe me, everyone who is into the field of pharma is eligible to do this workshop. So, to name a few, undergraduate student, graduate student, or postgraduate student of pharmacy, science, or medical field, researchers and academicians, practicing medical professionals, pharma, clinical research, or pharmacovigilance working professionals. So all these guys are eligible to join this workshop. So how we are going to learn this? Guys, this is not a lecture. It is an workshop. And why it is workshop? Because I will provide you a step-by-step guide to search desired articles or literature in shortest possible time by use of search engines like Google, Google Scholar, and many more. For example, PubMed. So what are the learning objective of this workshop? Rather, what you will get after joining or after going through this workshop. First, you will understand the basic rules of literature search. Then, how to use the keywords to find the scientific articles. How to search desired literature in shortest possible time. This is a very important and crux of this workshop. How to narrow down or broaden the search. And few databases that every professional should know. So that's all about this basic uh, phase one of literature search. Once you are acquainted with the basic rules of literature search, we will move forward for the phase two of search workshop. So in this phase two, I will be talking about literature search engines other than Google, PubMed, or Google Scholar. These search engines are more into academic side. They are not the general search engines. They are purely scientific search engines. And this will be covered under a separate course. So thank you for attending this video. I hope to see you in phase one of workshop. Thank you.